Flow-form rivets look similar to SPRs before they are installed. However, flow-form rivets require existing holes for installation. The edges of the flow-form rivet are rounded, compared to the sharp edges of the SPR. To begin the installation process, the flow-form rivet is inserted into the pre-existing hole. Using the correct dies and pressure settings on the equipment for the rivet chosen, the die is placed over the head of the rivet. The trigger can be squeezed and the rivet is installed. Notice how the front head of the installed flow-form rivet looks similar to the head of the SPR. The backside of the flow-form also has a similar look to the backside of the SPR.